morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay gagawa tayo ng cheesy puto. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Here are the ingredients. We have here 1/2 cup grated cheese. Mayroon tayo ditong sliced cheese. 1/2 cup na white sugar. 5 tablespoons na cooking oil. 1 cup na tubig. And gagamit tayo dito ng White King puto mixture. And what we're going to do ka-friendship is ifa-follow lang natin yung instruction dito sa or yung cooking instruction dito sa box ng White King puto mixture. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do first ka-friendship is i-combine natin yung ating puto mixture. At saka yung ating sugar. Let's mix it thoroughly hanggang maging well blended yung ating sugar at saka yung ating puto mixture. So ang next natin na gagawin ka-friendship is i-gradually add natin yung water habang minimix natin yung ang sugar at saka yung ating puto mixture. Mo lang na. Kamla is helping me to do the mix. Chef, ayan na po well blended na yung ating puto mixture at saka yung ating water. What we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung cooking oil. And then, mix it very well until our butter will become smooth. So, ayan, mix lang natin siya. Po ka-friendship ang ating mixture. So, what we're going to do next is meron ako ditong molder. So, ayan, lalagyan natin siya ng cupcake liner. Ayan. Actually, optional lang to siya ka-friendship. Pwedeng wala. And ako gusto ko meron itong cupcake liner para mas maganda siya tingnan. Okay. So, what we're going to do next is ilalagay natin yung ating butter dito sa ating molder. So, ayan ka-friendship. Maglalagay tayo dito ng ating mixture sa ating molder. Ayan, kalahati lang muna ka-friendship. Teka lang. So, ayan. And then after that, lalagyan natin ng grated cheese dun sa gitna. So, ayan. And then, dagdagan natin ng ating mixture. So, wag nating punuin yung molder natin ka-friendship. About 3/4 lang ang ilagay natin dun sa molder natin. So, ayan. Ipa-flat lang natin siya ng kaunti. Ayan. So, gawa tayo ulit ng isa ka-friendship. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng grated cheese. And then, dagdagan natin ang ating mixture. Chef, ayan na po ang nagawa natin. So, what we're going to do next is ilalagay natin siya sa itaas ng kumukulong tubig. Ayan ka-friend chef, may kumukulo na tayong tubig. So, what we're going to do next is ilalagay natin itong ating na mold na puto mixture. Ayan. So, ibuboil lang natin siya ng 15 to 20 minutes or hanggang maluto yung ating mixture. And don't forget, nalagyan natin ng cloth, yung kanyang takip, para na hindi pupunta sa ating puto yung moisture ng ating steamer. So, ayan na siya ka-friend chef. Hayaan na lang natin sa dyan ng 15 to 20 minutes. So, let's go back later. So, ayan na po ka-friend chef. I-check natin kung luto na yung ating puto. Sa pag-check kung luto na siya, mag-toothpick test tayo. Ayan, pag tinusok mo siya ng toothpick at malinis na yung toothpick, ibig sabihin nun, luto na yung ating puto. Okay, so what we're going to do next is lagyan natin ng ating sliced cheese dun sa itaas. Ayan. And then, simmer lang natin siya ng at least another 2 minutes ka-friend chef. Okay, so ayan, takpan na lang muna natin siya. Balikan natin siya after 2 minutes. Ka-friend chef, tingnan natin kung okay na yung ating or completely luto na yung ating puto. So ayan, luto na siya ka-friend chef. Ready for serving na siya. Chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating cheesy puto. Chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang cheesy puto natin for today. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutu Mira at your service. Always remember that a meaningful life is not being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It's about being real, being humble, and being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of others. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!